Hey guys, Happy Sniper here, and today I am reviewing the Pitchfork. This gun, sorry, I wasn't really prepared for this. I have no idea who dropped it, but I will put it in the description, since I'll know by then. Anyways, it is an amazing gun. It shoots like a wave of bullets. It looks like the head of a pitchfork. And burst fire, when you're zoomed in, it shoots three waves. It's very powerful, very powerful. It can kill almost anything. But ow! I'm sorry, but that was awesome. Right. It can get you back up if someone's close to dying, but I might not get back up. Nope. The disadvantage is that I don't have the level 61 version, so that's why I died. I'll show you it real quick in my inventory. So here it is, 15,000. It would do like almost over 20,000 damage if I had level 61, but it looks like just like a. Sorry, I lost my mic right there for a second. Looks, like I said, looks like a white gun, but it isn't. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate and sub, and if you have any ideas for a video, post in the comments, and I'll try it out. Thanks.